So guys, this is the outcome.
What? What are you meaning?
It's fine now. I just want to do this. So this is doesn't really look good, but how does it taste? Ouch.
Very tasty, delicious.
And this is the fish,
Small
fried fish, small fried fish. And gumawa ako ng sausawan na suka,
onion sauce.
onion sauce. And this is ito na yung tortang isda or ukoy. So let's eat it. Yeah.
I didn't see my shirt. When I go there, the bellboy saying, "You come from where?" I said, "What?" So you see your shirt.
So, kakatapos ko lang kumain and I'm so full. And though the pasta wasn't that really nice or hindi siya gano'ng kasarap kasi nga nagkulang siya ng sauce. But the ukoy, the fish ukoy was amazing. So, I'm happy for that. And thank you very much for watching. Bye. See you in the next whatever. Bye.